In this video, I'll show you how to fix we couldn't authorize your bank account on Vinted, and I'm sure you can see exactly where I'm going with this by where I am on the screen. Quickest way to get this sorted out is because I'm assuming you have checked that the details are correct. That's something that everyone would check first. So yeah, I'm not going to get into that. What you need to do is just contact support. There's too many variables as to what it could be. So for those of you who know how to contact support, go for it. For those of you who don't, you want to go to vinted.com/help/615 and click on contact us. So you'll be presented with this form. I'm not signed in, by the way. Sorry about that. If there's a specific order, you can select it over here. There won't be for this though. Type in your email address because they will reply to you via email, which is good because then we can have their email address, which for some reason I could not find for the life of me. Then we're just going to upload some photos of the screen that we're getting. I would say make sure to hide any personal information. And then describe your issue in detail. I've noticed a lot of people talking about having multiple accounts and having the same details on both of those accounts, which is a problem. That's going to probably get you banned. But yes, quickest way, contact support. They're going to help you faster than any YouTuber. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.